outside the seat. We riding Burke life, baby. Yes, sir.
Embrace, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh, and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? When he tell the story, it's not how it went. No, they be lying 100%. Moved out of risk and forgot about the bed. Now they just call me, tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't.
About to redo everything over, man. I just slapped some rims on it real quick just to get it back out while I'm building my dump. This is like my little slider just to pull out now. I got 32s on here, gold things. I'm about to put 34s back on here. This car been out so long, man. Everybody done seen it. I just cruise it now. My dunk is my show car now. This right here is just to have something just to pull up in. I'm on that video stuff now. That photography. Well, I feel like if a photographer don't have a car, how can he be a YouTuber recording everybody else's stuff and he ain't got one himself? But I started from here though. It wasn't the other way around. Music stupid loud, had to turn it down, everybody looking. I know Wendy's over here trying to get them orders in. But I was gonna give y'all a loud tip. But y'all know I'm out here pushing on them gold Amanis. Believe it or not, these are my original rims before I went to 34s. And then I sold them. And then somebody got them dipped in gold. And my boy AJ in Nebraska got all the 34s. He bought mine because I want a new set. And I was gonna get floaters, but somebody beat me to House of Toys the day I was going to go get them. So I just copped the 32s off of him since he had them, my old 32s, and he got my 34s. But just know, I'm going back 34. This tire look a little low. I'll have to check it. Maybe I'm just on the hill, I don't know. I be paranoid about tires. Then I got my two ZV518s. I ain't even finished my wall. I just moved again. So my apologies. I will get all this back together. I've been tripping and slipping. But now I'm gonna calm down. Winter about to come. So just know 2021 we're gonna have 2 cars pull out of my lab. Anyway, I'm out here. Colonial Heights, Virginia. And I'm just chilling today. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna cruise the city a little bit.